Hello YouTube, just Paul again here. Just wanted to introduce you to this SBE Sidebander V. This is the second one that I've been working on for the last month and a half, and it's finally finished tonight. So it's looking really nice. It's late in the evening, there's not a lot of stations on. It's had an alignment, clarifiers pointing up. The usual potty mouths. Right, what did I do to this radio? Well, today, in conclusion, for cap change, after the cap change, the RX came up just amazingly. The TX now is about 27 watts PEP, and it went from 18 watts to 22 watts without doing any further tune. So that was also after cleaning up and doing all the dry joints, and then doing a full, then I did a proper TX alignment, then the RX, then the synthesizer, which was the final part of the radio. So the case has been taken back to bare metal. It's been primered and painted in satin black because we can't get the very fine wrinkle finish to match OEM, and I don't like the big wrinkle finish. So the best thing to do is just, in my mind, go satin. I used to paint these black, but the black just doesn't look right on the shelf. So there we go, another SBE Sidebander V back to life, fully functional. Okay, there we go, 38 watts, PEP. Bit of a powerhouse, this one. This, I still haven't picked the difference with these radios, but this one is a genuine factory 25 watt radio. The other one, which I have, which is identical, it's not apparently it's not a 25 watt radio, and it peaks at about 23, 24 watts, no matter what I do. So very happy with this, and all of that. And it's come up really nicely. Paid way too much money for this, around about $450 Australian, way too much. However, it's a rare radio. So looking at it now, you would not believe the condition that it came in. All right, so it's had a full board reflow. This one, what else does it had? It's had track repairs in the next to the synthesizer. I'm finding a lot of cracked tracks under the solder. Fantastic. So that's all done. Really didn't need any parts, this one. The other one needed finals. It needed the a HA1339, I think it was, audio amp. This one was basically dry joints. This had a lot of work done to it by a previous person at some point, and they just stuffed the PCB up, and it was just one thing after the other. So they'd cause a problem, chase the problem, cause another, chase the problem, cause another, and so it takes persistence, resilience, and again, treating each problem as one thing and try and resolve it. And with these radios, best advice, do a cap change first before you do anything else. All right, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.